So let us start. All right. So good evening, everyone. So online team, can you hear me? So is my voice is clear? All right. So then let us start the session. Okay. The today topic is we are going to start the new topic. The topic name is a functions part 1. Okay. So I will give a small recap what we done till now. Can I change the status? We are done, right? Okay, good. Good. Let's continue. Let me give a small recap. In previous topic, what we covered, let me give a small recap. So till now, we done these are all topics actually. What are all topics? Tell me. First one is a introduction, keywords, hello world program, program execution flow, naming convention, variable, data types, operator, input and output, flow control, string also. Let me tell you, out of all these topics, these two are very, very important, man. Damn sure important actually. Okay. These two topics we need to practice thoroughly. And tomorrow we can target these two topics practice actually. Okay. So current examples, what I have explained, that we can do the practice. Clear, right? Good. Let's continue. Let me give a small recap. The previous topic name is a string. Previous topic name is what exactly? String. And here we understand what is a string. Here we understand what is exactly, sir, string. And once we understand what is a string, then we need to understand how to create a string. And then immediately need to understand how to access a string. How to access a string actually. There are the by using indexing we can access, by using slicing we can access, by using for loop we can access. These are all stuff we done. Okay. Then immediately mutable, and next one is what exactly? Immutable. A string having what nature? Mutable or immutable? Sir, what do you mean by mutable? Code can be changed, assuming that we created one variable, kind of some one object actually. Based on some requirement, I just wanted to update the object. I just wanted to change the object actually. Is it possible? Absolutely possible actually. And after that, what I covered, math operators. Math operators, over string. I mean, on string actually. There are two math operators. The first one is a plus operator. Second one is what exactly? Star operator. Plus operator concatenate, star operator, yeah, repeats the string. And length of this string, what is that one, sir? Length of this string. How to find out length of this string? By using one function. That function name is called as a length. Len or length. I hope we forget to list out yesterday one function. That function name is called as, any idea? Come again? Yeah, good, good. So the function name is called as what exactly? TIR. So to get methods from class. Not only this one, and this I can cover up actually, to get attribute functions from module. To get what exactly, sir? functions from module. We'll see. This point I can cover later actually. But as of now, keep in mind that dir is a predefined function. By using that, we can get all the list of methods, right? To get the list of methods from what exactly? Class. We have seen to get the list of functions. List of what exactly? Functions. Yeah, good. Length of this thing. Then the next topic name is a, yep, next one only, right? No. Membership operators. Am I right? Membership operators. Membership operator. Anything. The spelling is, don't consider spelling mistake. Membership operator. There are two things actually. First one is in, next one is a not it. We covered these two. And next topic name is a methods in str class. Methods in what exactly? Str class actually. Good. Can somebody help me? One motto you need to understand. str is a predefined class. Str is what exactly? Predefined class. Then str class contains what exactly? Methods. These are all methods. Can somebody help me? First one is a s dot upper method we covered. Next one s dot lower method. Next one s dot. I need your help actually. Strip. Okay. Next method name is a s dot count. Then parameter is required. Next one is a s dot. Okay. How many parameters, sir? Two parameters. P1 comma P2. Next method name is a s dot split actually. And s dot split is the direct one. S dot split is, directly with parameter and without parameter actually. Now let us continue. Which class, sir? Come on, please. I'm sorry. Good. And the next one is s dot. What is the last method? What is the last method? Sir, strip. We did in Mr. Yeah. That's it only. Split till here we covered actually. Can I ask a question? Split method return type is a what is the result for the split method? Any idea? List. Very good. We already covered yesterday. Good man. This index you should have. Once we done the topic, these are all index we have to maintain actually. What we covered. It's a kind of, see, just a matter of 5 minutes we covered the index actually. That would be really good practice. You should know what we covered actually. Okay. Come on, let's move on. Now today, many things you are going to understand. The today topic name is a functions part 1. Today topic name is what exactly? Functions part 1. Let me tell you. Generally, while I'm preparing the material, I always try to give in a convenient way. Try to give the material in what exactly? Convenient way. Convenient for your better understanding, not for me actually. Let me tell you, in a Python programming language, functional programming language, this is called as what exactly? Functional programming language. You can also call this one language. And next one is, this is also called as a functions. This is also called as what exactly? Sir, in Python, the topic name is a function, only one topic actually. Only what exactly? But though it is somewhat big topic, somewhat what exactly? Big topic, sir. I like always divide and conquer. I like always what exactly? Instead of reading the total chapter in one shot actually, let us divide this topic will be functions equals to what I done, part 1. What is the next one, sir? Part 1 plus what exactly? Part 2. I hope you already know Bahubali part 1 and KGF part 1 and part 2, something like that, right? So I made it this one for you better understanding, right? Now, but please don't Google it function part 1, part 2, something like that actually. Good, let us continue. Now, today, the total topic may take minimum 2 days session. How many sessions actually? 2 days required actually. Many things you are going to understand. You will get a clear picture actually. Are you ready? Let's move on. Open the material. Let me give final touch to online team. Online team, are you following, sir? Is my voice is clear? I'm scaring. Come on. Yeah, good. Let's move on. Good. So these are all things we are going to see. Step by step, we'll see, man. Step by step, we'll see. The very first one. Yeah, come on. The first line you have to read actually. What is the first one? Function. What is the first one? Function. Sir, function means first of all, it is not a birthday function, marriage function. Function is a topic in Python. Function is a chapter in Python. Function is what exactly? Topic in a Python. It's a kind of small chapter actually. Read everyone. A function can contain group of statements which perform what exactly? One more time. No, I need total line actually. Good. Read everyone. A function can contain group of statements which perform the task. Okay, good. Let me ask a simple one question, man. What is this? Okay. Can somebody help me? What is a string, sir? Can I say string means group of characters actually? Group of what exactly? Characters. Same thing like that. Whenever you're talking about the function means group of statements. Functions means what exactly? Group of statements. What is the purpose? I can tell later actually. First of all, just try to understand like this. Function means what exactly, sir? Group of statements. Everything has its own purpose. The purpose of function is to perform task. The purpose of function is what exactly, sir? To perform task, also called as a action, also called as a any task, action, one more thing, operation. These are all names would you have actually. I'm repeating one more time. The purpose of any function will be, the purpose of function will be, can somebody tell me? To perform task, action, operation. Generally the task is the very well known name actually. Good. Now let me consider you. You guys are having the zero knowledge over the function. What knowledge actually? Now let me make you to understand. Hey man, what is the purpose? Why function programming language came? These are all things actually. Are you ready? Come on, sir. Let us start. Good. But as we already discussed actually, maybe yesterday's session, day before yesterday's session, it would be really helpful for you. I hope I already told one point actually. What is that point? Any Python program we can implement in a, how many ways actually? Any idea? Three ways. Very good. What is the first one? Procedure oriented. What is the first one? Procedure oriented. Second one is function oriented. Second one is what exactly? Function oriented. Third one is a object oriented. Third one is what exactly? So in the given three, among three, the second one is a function oriented. Second one is what exactly? Now you need to understand, initially Python programming language having the procedure oriented. Initially Python programming language having what exactly, sir? Procedure oriented. There are some limitations. To overcome that limitation, function programming language came into the picture actually. I will tell you what is the limitation. Please focus. Very, very important actually. I'm repeating again. Whenever you're talking about the Python, initially the first Python program was implemented with procedure oriented. First program was implemented with what approach actually? Procedure oriented. But on certain reasons, there are some limitations actually. Let me show you what are limitations. Then you yourself feel, hey man, procedure oriented is not up to the mark actually. Let us move on to the next level. What is the next level actually? Function oriented. Right. Let us make it very clear. What is that one? Let me drink water 1 minute. I hope you already know. Let me tell you. What do you mean by procedure oriented, sir? Writing a program by using procedure. By using what exactly? Sir, tell me, sir. Writing a program by using a procedure is called as a procedure oriented. Now, just try to come here. Hello. Next one is what exactly? Good evening. Okay. Good evening. And next one is what exactly, sir? Next one is a function oriented. I'm not started explanation, but I'm giving a small revision actually. Tell me, writing a program by using function. By using what exactly? Function. Sir, whenever you are learning about the functions, you should be strong in two areas actually. What are those areas? Any idea? The first one will be, tell me, how to create a function. How to create what exactly? Function. Second one is how to access a function. How to access what exactly, sir? Function. Good. I hope you already know how to create a function. DEF. Function name is a wish actually. Function name is what exactly? Wish or Daniel. Any name you can give. Now you are creating a function. Good. I hope you already know. Let me. Do you think you are going to get the output actually? No. So how we will get actually? Yeah, we need to call the function. Good. Now let us make it separate. Let us make it what exactly, sir? Separate these two actually. The first one is this example. I would like to say this one is demo1.py. This is the first example. And this one is what exactly, sir? Demo2.py. Demo what exactly? 2.py. 2.py. Now, let you make you to understand what is the difference, what is the limitation in the first one actually, and what is the advantage in the second one. Let me give a small one fun example actually, so that you can very easy to understand. See, sometimes I would like to connect the technical topics with a fun example, so that you never forget the topic in your lifetime actually. Let me tell you one small fun example. One day, what happened? Please observe this one. My father name is a Jeshwant. My father name is what exactly? Jeshwant actually. And he called me and he told, "Dear son, I'm not feeling well. So seems to be like in stomach, I'm getting a pain actually. Please listen this example very carefully. You will understand the purpose of function actually. You will understand purpose of what exactly function. Look at my screen. I'm feeling somewhat very tired, greediness, and a kind of some occasionally I'm getting a stomach pain. I don't know what kind of pain I'm getting actually. Can we go to doctor? He asked actually. Sir, father is not well. He is asking actually. Any son will, what he will, they will say actually. Yes, father will go actually. Then we went to hospital. Went to what exactly? Hospital. Hospital. So there is a doctor. Doctor is my what exactly? No, he is my father's friend only. Doctor is my what exactly? Father's friend only. Then what exactly happened? All tests done, all medical tests, a kind of some all tests are done actually. Then doctor told one thing. What he told, hey Jeshwant, you are absolutely fine actually. But for you, one thing is lacking. For you, I mean, you need what exactly, some kind of morning walk, some kind of what exactly, sir? Morning walk actually. Though my father is almost reaching some 55 to 60 years, definitely walking is required actually. What is required, sir? Walking is required. Good. So we have taken and we are going to return to home actually. We are going to return what exactly? Home. Then when we are returning to the home in a car, my father asked actually, hey dear son, stop the car near to shopping mall. Stop the car near to what exactly? I got surprised. Is it really? So first of all, you're not well. That we are coming from hospital actually. Is it really required or not? Is it really required? I asked actually. My father looked at it very seriously. I mean, I'm very scared to my father. He looked at me very seriously. It's okay. Why I supposed to get beatings from my father? Let me stop near to shopping mall actually. Sir, I stopped car in shopping mall. Car in what exactly? Shopping mall. In a direct way, he went to one shop actually. That shop name is called as some shoes actually. I mean, so in that shop, what we are having, Come on, sir. What we are having? Shoes. Why shoes? Tell me. Very good, man. How you know actually? Yeah. The point will be, so he told he bought one shoe. That shoe name is Adidas actually. When he is buying, I'm eagerly looking at my father actually, and my father asked, "Do you like shoe also? Do you want shoe also?" If father is asking, who will say no, sir? Then I said yes actually. Then I got a Nike shoe. Then at we returned to home exactly 9:30 p.m. My father called me, sir. Any reason? Do you know any reason? Yeah, what my father is asking, get ready morning for what exactly? Walk actually. Seriously. First of all, morning early to 5 to 6 actually, my heaven time. Why? Because, I used to sleep like a snoring actually. During that time, my father is asking, hey, can we go for morning walk? Night time. He's making me to ready. Son, get ready. Tomorrow, understand. Now here onwards, function oriented programming will start actually. My father is saying, get ready. Tomorrow we are going for morning walk actually. Tomorrow we are going for what exactly? Morning walk. Sir, that day is the Monday. That day is what exactly? Monday. I can say first today. I can say what exactly? First today. First time, exactly 4:45. Early morning, 4:45. My father called me and my father telling these are all instructions. What he is telling, get wake up from the bed. What is the first statement, sir? Wake up from the bed actually. That is the first statement. Next one, get ready. I mean to say that get fresh up. What is the second statement, sir? Fresh up. Third one will be get ready for morning walk actually. What is the fourth statement? Uh, tie the shoe. Fifth statement will be get smooth towel. Smooth towel. Can somebody get smooth towel? Then started the walking actually. Can somebody tell me total how many statements actually? Read everyone. What is the first one? Wake up from the bed, fresh up, get ready for morning walk actually, tie the shoe, get smooth towel. Let me tell you, to start morning walk, these are all important steps. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let me write a program by using the same steps. Please, we have to understand very carefully what I'm doing. Please, I'm requesting. Online team, please focus. Let me just try to write a print statement. Can somebody tell me what approach I'm using actually? Any idea? Can I say procedure oriented I'm using actually? Yeah, very good. I mean to say that what my father is telling, I'm just trying to using procedure oriented functionality. Let me run this example, sir. Let me run what exactly? This example. Yeah. So exactly I got all these steps actually. Yes. How many steps would you have? Four. Yeah. 5 steps would you have? Sir, first today morning work is done. I would like to say, first today morning walk is done actually. Generally, if first today morning walk is done, if anyone don't know morning walk actually, in a first today you will get a body pain, sir. First day you will get what exactly? Body pains or leg pains actually. Now do let me know. Second day, this point is important, sir. Second day, I have a question. Second day also I need to go for what exactly? Morning walk. Sir, if there is no function oriented, my father again need to repeat all these statements one more time. I mean to say that go back, take the same statement actually. Again, we have to define this is for first today. This is for what exactly? Second day. Please understand. Now execute this example. Just try to observe this one. Seems to be, can somebody tell me duplicate code? Am I right or not? But first 5 lines belongs to what exactly? First today. Second 5 lines belongs to what exactly? Second day. Good. Second day also done, sir. Second day also done actually. Also done. Third day, my father calling. If I didn't wake up, he may beat also. My father is like that actually. Good. Third day. This what exactly, sir? Third day actually. Now do let me know. Third day also what exactly, sir? Same statements, my father is supposed to repeat if there is no function oriented. Frankly speaking, function oriented programming is a kind of boilerplate code. What code actually? Boilerplate. Repeat one more time. Boilerplate. Boilerplate in the sense, it's not like a boiler hen actually. It's a duplicate code. Unnecessarily, you have to write your own statements actually again and again. See, first statement already available, but in second day also my father is supposed to repeat. But in third day also my father is supposed to repeat. Like this 100 days mission. How many days actually? Man, how many lines required actually? 500 lines. How many lines required actually, sir? Manually, we need to write the program. But the same program, this is the procedure oriented. Am I right or not, sir? Let me convert into function oriented. Let me convert into what exactly? Function oriented. Then we can get the one feature. That feature name is called as a reusability. That feature name is called as what exactly? Reusability. Let me show you. Let me show you. Now, just try to come here. Yeah. First today, my father is supposed to define no doubt at all. Assuming that my father is using function oriented actually. My father is using what exactly? Function oriented. Now in a first today, DEF. Now function name is a morning walk. What is the function name actually? Morning walk. So now these are all statements. Let me keep inside of this function actually. Now can somebody help me? Do you think you are going to get output actually? No. Why? Very good, man. You got it actually. Good. Now just try to observe this one. Sir, you know what? This is first today. Whenever my father first today, you have to define everything. You have to define what exactly? Everything. Execute this example. Yes, it is executed, sir. Now do let me know. Second day, do you think one more time this function is need to define actually? No. Take this function call, copy paste one more time. Second day, if my father is saying morning walk, that step automatically I need to perform all these steps actually. Is it really required my father repeat all these statements actually? Not required. First time it is required. That's what you need to understand. Being a programmer, what we need to do, what are all required statements, keep it in one block actually. Wherever it is required, you can call that. Wherever it is required, what we can do, we can call that. Now read the definition, you can easy to understand. Read the definition. A function can contain group of statements which perform what exactly? Did you understand? I hope you understand, sir. Now take this example. If you want, you can run this one. See, second time also it is running. Hey, Daniel, can I run third day also? Man, up to you. If you want 1,000 time also, you can call actually. 1,000 time also you can call. I mean to say that instead of in a procedure oriented, you need to write a duplicate code, man. You need to write what exactly? again and again. What you define, you have to write actually. At certain point of time, we may lose control also. I mean to say that either which day, five statements, this five statement belongs to which day, we may lose the control. But coming to the procedure oriented, this is pretty good way actually. Let us write a code in terms of the block number one, block number two, block number three, kind of some modularity approach. Kind of some what exactly, sir? Modular. Team, are you getting? This is just introduction. I'm sure you will enjoy each and everything actually. Are you getting, sir? Let me talk with online team. Online team, are you getting a, can I get a response, please? Are you getting, sir? All right, come on, it's the right time. If you're understanding very clearly, it's the right time. Yeah, let me define this function here. I would like to say, this is the first today. First today need to define, and second day onwards, what my father is supposed to do, call the function one more time. It's a very simple. I mean to say that this is the second day. This is what exactly, sir? Second day, first day function, what my father created actually. Move on to the discussion, you can easy to understand. Any questions, please hold on. I can make it very clear. Still, this is the just introduction. Yeah, advantages. Maintaining the code in what exactly, sir? It is a very easy. Next one, code reusability. Code what exactly? Reusability. Make a note. Sir, print is a predefined function in Python which prints output on the console. Which print outputs on what exactly? Console. Now, you know what? What is the topic name? Tell me. In Python, the first function name is a print. The first function name is what exactly? Print actually. I mean to say that the every function having its own purpose. The purpose of print predefined function is just to display output on the console. Repeat one more time. Display output on the console. That point you need to catch actually. Okay, good. Print is a predefined function in Python which prints output on what exactly, sir? Console. Types of functions. There are mainly two types of functions would you have. Can somebody tell me what is the first one? Predefined function, also called as a built-in function. Next one is a user-defined function. Tell me everyone, what is the first one? Predefined function, built-in function, also called as a user-defined function. Hope you understand. Same thing we have learned in data types, I guess. Am I right or not, sir? Built-in data types. Next one is what exactly? User-defined data. Functions also same. Predefined functions. Next one is a user-defined function. Predefined functions are built-in functions means the functions which are already existing in a Python is called as what exactly? Predefined function. I mean to say that, sir, when you install Python, when you install what exactly Python, by default, few functions will come automatically. Best example, when you born, by default, legs, hands, eyes, these are all by default features actually. But courage, mercy, love, these are all you need to build. You need to, what we need to do, sir? Build. That is called as a user defined. Right, good. The function which are already existing in a Python is called as a predefined function, like a print type input actually. Now just try to come here. Types of functions. Types of what exactly? Functions. Now tell me what is the first one? Predefined functions. Next one is a user-defined function. User-defined functions. Good. Whenever you're talking about the predefined functions, it's a very simple. We already know these are all actually. Can somebody help me? There are some predefined functions in Python. What is the first one? Print. Good. Next one is a come on, sir. Please type. Yeah. Next one is a input actually. Come on. These are all we already very well known actually, right? And these are all we know very well known. And as of now, we can hold this discussion. Now, next one is what exactly you know, sir? User defined function. Next one is what exactly? User defined function. Based on requirement, a programmer can create his own function. These functions are called as a user defined function. Hold on. Let me take Python. I mean to say that, let us take a Python. This is a community. Under this community, the first person name is a, let us take Guido Van Rossum. Who is that guy, man? Creator of Python. What he done, he created a function. Function name is called as a print. He created a function. Function name is called as what exactly, sir? Type actually. I'm sorry. Guido Van Rossum. Guido Van Rossum. Good. Sir, same thing like that. Now let me tell you. Daniel. Who is this guy actually? Do let me know. He is the person, he learnt Python. He learned what exactly? Python actually. Now, hello boss, can I create a function? My function name is what exactly? Morning walk. My function name is what exactly? Morning. Sir, this point you need to understand. Print is a predefined function created by Python creator. Created by whom actually? Python creator. Like the way how he created, can I create a my own function? You can create. Then this function is called as a user defined function. This function is called as what exactly, sir? User defined function. Are you getting what I'm saying? Hope you're getting, sir. Good. Now look at my screen. Based on requirement, a programmer can create his own function. These functions are called as a user defined function. So practically we will see how to define and how to use the functions actually. Getting right? Good. Sir, if you wanted to understand the total topic in a better way, actually, there are some terminology you need to understand. There are what exactly? Terminology you need to understand. Let us make you to understand the terminology. If you wanted to understand the functions topic in a better way, then we need to focus on the function related terminology. What is the first word, sir? Can somebody help me? DEF keyword. What is the first one? DEF keyword. Next one is name of the function, parenthesis, parameters, this is optional actually as of now. Column symbol, function body, return type. One more time. Def keyword, name of the function, parenthesis, parameters, column symbol, function body, return type. Step by step, and what is a def keyword actually? What is the name of the function? What is the column symbol? These are all things we'll cover. Till now, did you understand? What is the topic name? Functions actually. For your better understanding what it done, functions I have divided into two parts. Now currently we are discussing about part number one. It takes on an average 2 day sessions actually. After that we are going to cover functions part number two. Functions part number two, 1 day session actually. The total functions we are going to close in a 3 days. 3 days actually. Team, are you clear, sir? Good. Hold on. Let me talk with online team. Once again repeat user defined function actually. Yeah, we are entering, sir. We are entering actually. I will cover one more time. Let's move on. Function definition. A function can contain group of statements. We already know. The purpose of a function is to perform what exactly, sir? Operation. A function can contain mainly two parts actually. What is the first one? Creating a function. I'm sure the previous yesterday or day before yesterday discussion will be helpful for you. That's what intentionally what I used to do, the way how I order the topic is really important actually. You have to please follow the same order. If I didn't cover previously what is a function, how to create a function, might be difficult today for you, I guess. But yesterday I already make you to habituate what is a function, how to create a function, how to call the function actually. Repeating one more time. Sir, whenever you're talking about the function having the mainly two parts, man. Function having mainly what exactly? Two parts actually. The first one is how to create a function. How to create what exactly? Function. Next one is what exactly? How to access a function. Now these two one by one we will see step by step actually. Now the first one is how to create a function. As usual, let me explain the example, then you will get a very clear picture. Intentionally, I will give my own name actually, so that you will understand. You can give any name, man. Good, come on. Let me just try to create a function. Good, I'm creating a function. Please look at my screen actually. I'm using one keyword. That keyword name is a def. That keyword name is what exactly? Def actually. The keyword name is a def. We can create a function by using def keyword. By using what keyword actually? After def keyword, let us just try to provide name of the function. Let us just try to provide what exactly? Name of the function. Rule number one, function name all are lowercase. Function name all are what exactly? Lowercase actually. This point we already learned. Where we learned, naming convention chapter. Whenever you are creating a variable, what are all rules you followed actually? The same rule also you can follow for the function. Function name can contain all or lowercase actually. Anyway, that point it is coming upcoming document actually. Please keep in mind that one. Def keyword. The next one is what exactly, name of the function. What is required, sir? Name of the function. After name of the function, parenthesis is required. What is required, sir? Parenthesis is required. After parenthesis, column is required. There are four parts actually. The first one is a DEF, next one is a Daniel, next one is a parenthesis, next one is a column. Like that you need to learn. Divide and conquer. Hey, first one is what exactly? Keyword. Next one is what exactly? Name of the function, parenthesis symbol, column. That's it. Apart from that, nothing actually. Now let us just try to delete these are all things. Sir, I hope you already know. Wherever column came, go to the next line. What is required? One more time. Last time. Good, very good. Now here, body of the function. Body of what exactly, sir? Function. I mean to say that once you created a function, enter inside of that function, then you can write your code actual. You can write what exactly? Your code. This is called as a body of the function. As of now, I'm writing like, good evening. What I'm writing, sir? Good evening. It's a very simple. I'm repeating one more time. Successfully, what we done, sir? We created a function. We created what exactly? Function. Now just try to hold on. DEF, sorry, man. DEMO1.py. Yes, I just wanted to override. Yeah, good. So, do you think if I'm executing this example, we are going to get output actually? No. Why no output? Tell me. Yeah, very good. Everyone is connecting actually. Now go back and read the theory one by one actually. Creating a function. In a very first step, we need to create a function. We need to create what exactly, sir? Sir, that's what I told. Just only what is a function, I will take a 10 to 15 minutes discussion. But day before yesterday, this much time I didn't take an actual. That's what you need to understand. Today we are going to learn in detail. What is a function? What is the need of the function? How to create a function? How to call a function? These are all things you need to understand. In a very first step, we need to create a function. To create a function, we need to use a keyword. What is that keyword name actually? DEF. After DEF keyword, we should write name of the function. We should write what exactly? Come on, we know. After function name, we should write parenthesis symbol. What symbol you need to write? Parenthesis symbol. Good. Sir, this statement you can ignore actually, but read the first statement. What is this one? This parenthesis may contain what exactly? One more time. This parenthesis may contain parameters. Hold on. Go back. There is an upcoming topic actually I wanted to see. Here actually based on parameters, functions are divided into two types. First one is what exactly? Function without parameter, function with parameter. What is a parameter? During that time I can cover actually. This one you have to ignore as of now. This one you have to ignore as of now. Move on to the next step actually. What is the next step? After parenthesis, we should write what exactly? Column symbol. After column symbol, in next line we need to provide step by step, man. Line by line you need to understand. Good. Function body. Actual logic contains by function body. Sir, in the total function, this is the main important point actually. Instead of that function, you can write the actual logic is available inside function body. The actual logic is available. Actual operation is available inside function body actually. Okay, good. Now, before closing the function may contain return statement also. Read this only one word, sir. Return type. One more time. Last time. Go back. That one also separate topic, sir. Read the statement actually. Return keyword in a Python. As of now, two things you need to ignore from my definition. First one is the parameter. Second one is a return type. This you can ignore. Ignore in the sense not permanently. I will tell you. I know which topic I need to cover at what time. Yeah, def, name of the function. This is called as a doc string, also called as a comments actually, body of the function to perform an operation. Naming convention to define a function. Please understand this. Naming convention. Naming convention means, hello Daniel, whenever I'm creating a function, what might be the rule to follow? What might be what exactly, sir? Rule to follow. Def. And can I create it like this actually? Now let me tell you. Yeah, good. Now just try to come here. Sir, now look at my screen. Now here, previous function, no doubt at all, these are all what exactly, sir? Lowercase letter. It is highly recommended to give your function name is in a lowercase letter. Lowercase, what exactly? Sir, can I prove practically? Can I say print is a predefined function? How they created actually? All are lowercase only. Then you have to follow your function names also lowercase only. You tell me one function name. Tell me one function name, sir. type, no dot at all, lowercase only, input, lowercase only, range, lowercase only. Then what we need to do? Whenever you are creating your own function, provide only lowercase letter. Provide only what exactly? Lowercase letter. Are you getting your one? Good man. Good. Rule number one. As discussed in naming convention chapter, function name should be in a lowercase. If name having a multiple words, then separating words with what exactly, sir? Underscore symbol is a good practice. Underscore symbol is what exactly? Good practice, right? Now, take this function. One more function, let me write. DEF, so morning walk. Print. Hello, good morning, something like that. Now take this one, run this example. This one also valid actually. Now just try to take this one also valid. If a function name having the two words actually, if a function name having what exactly? Two words, separating those words with underscore symbol is what exactly, sir? Good practice. Can I give any other symbol? No. Where we'll end this topic actually? Naming convention. Frankly speaking, this is called as a identifier. This is called as what exactly? A name in a program. That name can be, did you remember? Variable name, function name, variable name. What is the next one? Function name. Now we are discussing about the function actually. If you want to go back, sir, every point is interconnected actually. You have to please focus. Go to the naming convention and here you can read the topic actually. Identifier means what exactly you know, sir? A name in a program is called as an identifier. This name can be package name, module name, variable name, function name. What is that one? Function name. Please focus on this. Okay. Yeah. Very good. There is no output actually. Whenever we are executing the above program, the function body is not executed actually. To execute the function body, what we need to do? Call the function. What we need to do, sir? Call the function. Get ready. That is the next step. Calling the function. After function is created, read the first word actually. After, second time. Yeah, important. Not before. I will tell you. Once the function creation successfully done, then only you have to move for the function calling. Then only you have to move for what exactly? Step number second one is depending upon the first one actually. Let me put practically. After function is created, then we need to call that function to execute the function body. To execute what exactly? Function body. Kind information. Let me stop. If anyone is a fresher, 2023, recently Cognizant company, my old students are available, data scientist jobs are available. So maybe let me share the link actually, you can apply. Freshers in the sense, recently who done the graduation or else who are pursuing actually. Regarding those who are having the gap, don't worry, sir. Plenty of the jobs actually. We are going to get a plenty of the jobs. I will update actually how to do, what to do. And one more small update actually. What is a small update? Just let me take a 2 minutes actually. Online team, are you following, sir? Let me drink water. Can I get a response? Yeah, 2 minutes discussion. Sir, what about tomorrow? Tomorrow is what exactly, sir? Saturday. Very good. Tomorrow is a Saturday and it is what exactly, sir? Practice session. Timings change actually. Maybe for you, for your batch only, I have taken last week 5:30 actually. For my all batches at Naresh Shetty, I'm taking 3 batches actually. Tomorrow, every Saturday practice session starting at morning 7:30 to till 9 actually. Morning time. So kindly I'm requesting, if possible, you can please attend actually. Evening time, there is no session. What I'm planning, I would like to merge all guys actually, and I would like to continue the practice. Are you guys getting? Morning time. So up to you. Online and offline, both actually. Guys, are you getting? You guys are I I can understand, but try to cooperate with me. So evening time, 5:30 I cannot take actually every Saturday. Even that is my family time. But let me take a session. Only last week I have taken, which is a practice session. For all my batches, I used to take a Saturday session, only practice. And 7:30 to 9. And remaining what exactly, 9 a.m. onwards also I will take a session. During Saturday, I do have a off for my office actually. What session I used to take, interview preparation for old batches. For what exactly, sir? Old batches. I mean, who are all didn't get a job? Who are all job trials actually? 9 to 10:30, I'm taking interview discussion. I'm taking what exactly? I'm giving my best time actually. So that I need your kind cooperation also. Guys, are you getting, sir? Yeah, please try to cooperate. Tomorrow, what is the time actually? Tell me. 7:30 to? Yeah, sir, not evening. This is AM or PM? AM actually. Offline and online. Offline and what exactly? Online. Yeah, tell me, sir. At Naresh at only. I know it might be too difficult for you initial days actually. అలవాటు అయిపోద్ది కొంచెం కొంచెం. Are you getting or not? Right. It will be get habituated actually. Sir, only Saturday change. Link I will share. Link I will share actually. Please change the schedule. Okay, good. So I'm getting some concerns. We'll see accordingly. We'll see. But let's move on to the discussion. Let me tell you what is the tomorrow practice, you know. What is the tomorrow practice? Tell me. First one is a flow control. Next one is a string topic actually. String topic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, first of all, yeah, very good. We'll do that one also. First, let me finish these two. Why? Because very, very important actually. Very, very important. Once we done this one, then we can move on to input and output actually. Good. Let's continue with the discussion. One guy is calling actually. Change the schedule, something like it's okay. It's okay. Good. Let's move on. While calling the function name. Whoa, this is very, very important, man. Now just try to come here. Come on, get ready. DEF Daniel print. So hello. Yeah, hello is enough actually. Sir, can somebody help me? Daniel, this is the way we need to call the function. Am I right or not, sir? Good. So please observe this one. So I'm sure this is the valid example. Let us just try to do some R&D over this example. Now I just wanted help from you actually. Tell me what is output? Very good, sir. One more time. Last time. Then you became very good in this error. That error name is what exactly? Indentation error. What is that error name? I felt so happy. Without executing the program, you are telling the output actually. Very good. Now the next one. Hold on. Let's do some R&D. Let's delete this one. What is output? Nice, nice. Exactly. Syntax error. Take this example. You have to just try to come here. Sir, this kind of practice you have to do at any cost. Then you will get a very clear picture. Indentation error. And this what exactly? What is error name? Syntax error. Right? Now hold on. And let us just try to provide here as usual. Now let me just try to call this one is what exactly Naresh. What is output, sir? Tell me what is error? One guy already told. Tell me one more time. One more time. Yeah, error name is a name error. Error name is what exactly? I mean to say that. What you have defined actually, tell me? Daniel. Then you have to call the Daniel. Assuming that in front of you Daniel is available, but you are calling with what exactly? Naresh. Naresh is not defined. Then you will get a name error. You will get what exactly, sir? Name error. Please focus. These are all examples, sir. Quite important fundamental, sir. The error name is a name error. Enough. And one more point I wanted to cover. What is the next point? Hey, Daniel, same thing like that. I have created one more function. That function name is a Naresh. That function name is what exactly? Naresh. Now, good evening. Sir, how many functions I have created actually? Tell me. Two functions. Good. Then how many functions I am calling? Only one function. Now come here and execute the output actually. Just try to say you are getting only what exactly? Hello. Now, if you wanted to get Naresh output, what we need to do? Call the Naresh function. Call what exactly? Naresh function. Now just try to say. Just try to say. Based on your requirement, not only one function, two functions you can create, three functions you can create, up to you. Up to you actually. Team, are you getting? Can I ask a question? Good. What is the keyword name in this example? DF. Very good. Sir, how many functions are there? Seriously? Let me repeat my question one more time. How many functions are there? Sir, three functions, sir. What is the first function name? Print. Coming from Guido and Rosam. Coming from what exactly? I mean, predefined function. Next two functions are what exactly? Daniel. Next one is Naresh. Can I say user defined function actually? That point you need to recognize. Once, why? Because this is name of the function. This one also name of the function. This one also name of the function. Total 3 functions. Total how many functions actually? 3 functions. Good. Srikant, nice response. Arati, Sriya, good. Srikant, nice man. Let's move on. Let's move on. Very good. Now the last point I'm going to cover. Please focus on this one. One student asked a question. What is the question? Hello, Daniel. Hey, this point also important, man. What is it? Few students are forgetting providing the parenthesis while calling. Few students are forgetting providing the parenthesis while calling. Actually, you should not forget. Sir, if you're calling this program, what you're going to get, just try to say no output actually. What is that one? No output, no error also. Why? Because this is already available. It is thinking like you are trying to printing that one actually. This is not a good practice. Function calling. Function calling should have what exactly, sir? Parenthesis symbol. What symbol actually? Parenthesis symbol. Good. Take the same example. If you want, you can define here actually. Can somebody help me? Program explanation, let me give. DF is what exactly, sir? Keyword is what exactly? Hold on. DF is I would like to say keyword. Keyword. Next one is a Daniel. Can somebody tell me? Name of the function. Name of the function. Sir, like this, you need to prepare a template. Next one is what exactly? No, print. Tell me, sir. Very good. Predefined function. Uh, can I say the above one is user defined function actually? Is it fine? Yeah, then you can easy to understand. User defined function. We created user defined function. And good. Hello. Can somebody talk with me? What is that one, sir? Very good. Please don't ask string. Please namaskar. We already done. String topic actually. Good. Next one is a Daniel of this one. What is that one actually? Calling the function. Calling what exactly? Sir, like this. You have to divide the code. Each and every letter you should understand. Each and every letter you should understand. This is the good practice. If you are able to see the program, what is DEF, what is Daniel, what is parenthesis, these are all syntactical. You should be master actually. When you will become master, you have to do thoroughly practice. Then only you will become master, sir. Come on, let us move on to the discussion. It's easy, man. It's very easy. One more question. What is the question actually? One of the student asked a question. The question name is tell me DEF Daniel, right? Like this we need to create. Then I would like to say this is the valid function. This is what exactly? Valid function. Hello Daniel. I will give Daniel first actually. Let me correct the spell mistake. Daniel. I will give function name at first. Control X. Just try to come here. Daniel separate what exactly? DEF actually. Do you think valid? Invalid, sir. What is that one? Invalid. Indirectly, you are violating the rules actually. Means whenever you are learning any programming language, keep in mind you have to follow some syntactical rules. Indirectly, you are violating the rule. Then you will get an error. Error name is called as a syntax error. What is that error name? Very good. Please, you have to remember these are all things actually. And one more question by asked student. What is the question? Sir, DEF or DEF actually? Yeah, good. DEF. Daniel, get ready. I'm going to ask a question for you. I'm sure. I'm hoping you are going to answer this question actually. Sir, valid or invalid? Why invalid? Very good. Case sensitive. Yeah, exactly. Now, valid or invalid? Invalid. Why invalid actually? What is that one? Case sensitive. Either it is the keywords or functions, it is case sensitive actually. Good, we done that today. I mean, we done this discussion. Now just try to come here. Now please observe this one. Sir, this is literally wrong. Let me tell you, the first step should be function creation. First step should be what exactly? Next step should be function calling. This is the order you need to follow. This is what exactly, sir? Order. Head always stop actually. Something like a function creation always stop, something like that. If you are calling something like this, now please observe this one. You know what it is throwing, sir? Name. It is telling Daniel, I don't know. You're trying to calling the Daniel. I don't know, but already I defined actually. Now, can I call like this actually? No. So ensure that you have to remember this point. Yeah, seems to be we are playing with this function enough times. Hey, very good, Sriram sir. Very good actually. Let us take your point. Very good question. Oh, what is the question? Sriram sir. Can I write all user-defined functions in one file, calling them in different file actually? Very good question. This is called as a very good question. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. This is called as module topic. This is called as what exactly, sir? Module topic. During module topic, I will help you how to create a 2 to 3 functions and one class, how to use that file in another file actually. The topic name is what exactly, sir? Tell me. Module. When the topic we are going to cover, sir? Chapter number, yeah, after functions only. After functions only, we are going to cover. Sriram, sir, I hope you got it. Very good. All right. What is the time? Good. We are moving on. Yeah, I hope you understand, sir. These are all things actually easy. From here, it is very easy. Tell me why 2 times you are getting output actually? Yeah, very good. Once you create a function, if you want, you can call 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, up to you. There is no limitation actually. There is no limitation. What is why error, sir? Tell me. What is my function name? Display. With what name you are calling? Do you think valid? Function name should be match. Whenever you are calling a function, what is my function name actually? Daniel. Ensure that, function name and calling function name should be match actually. Whenever you are calling the function name should be match. Function name should be what exactly, sir? Otherwise, you will get a name error. Otherwise, you will get what exactly? Including case supposed to be match. Good. Can I create a more than one function in a single file? Yes, we can create based on requirement. We can create any number of functions. This one also I covered actually. What is my first function name? First. Second one is a second one actually. Yes, we can call like this. Let me just try to, DEF first function. This is first, first function. Same thing like that. Let me create a one more function. DEF second parenthesis. I would like to say this is second function. Sir, one important point I would like to cover here. Please focus. Whenever I'm running this one, what is output actually? Tell me. Very good. You understand actually. Good. Now let me call first. Let me call what exactly first. What is output? This is first function. Next one is what exactly? Second. Let me just try to check. What is output, sir? This is the first function. This is. Hold on. Let me call second. Let me call what exactly? Second. Guess the output actually. Sir, no rule. If function is available, it will execute. Order doesn't matter. The way how you create it doesn't mean you have to call in a same order actually. You have to remember this point. Seems to be, sir, how many functions I have created? Too many functions I have created. It's not a mandatory. You should call the first one. Next one, you have to call this one. It was not like that. This is something like, in the given room, Daniel is available, Prasad is available. Daniel is available, Prasad is available. Up to you. You can call Daniel or you can call Prasad. It's not a mandate actually. Okay. Yeah. All right. Now let me just try to call first. Let me just try to call what exactly first. It's a right time. I need to explain you about the flow actual. I need to explain about what exactly, sir? Flow. Let me just try to take this snapshot. Please focus on this one. Sir, whenever you are executing this example, what exactly happened in the backend, First, Python interpreter will cross verify. Initially, you have defined a function, first function, second function. Python interpreter backend, it maintains one stack. It maintains what exactly, sir? Stack. Inside that stack, it will maintain all name of the function. What is the first name of the function? What is the first function name actually? First. Second function name is what exactly? Second only. Good. Now, whenever you are started calling the function, what is the first line you are calling actually? Second, what happened, it will cross verify. Is this function is available actually? Yes, it is available. Then it will come and it will execute this function. Then next line, there is no line actually. then this function will be terminated automatically. Then this line execution is done. Then the Python interpreter goes to next line. In next line, what is available, sir? First is available. What is available actually? Then it will cross verify. Hey, is the first function is matching with the defined function? Yes, it is matching. Then Python virtual machine takes responsible. Let me execute this function body. Then it will execute actually. Once it is executed, then this one also execution is done. Any line is available, then program will be terminated automatically. That's the flow. That's what exactly, sir? Flow. Are you getting? Good. Hold on. One student asked a question. Let me tell you. Generally, in a real time, we never write like this actually. First, let me define. Let us play, sir. These are all very fun actually. Let me tell you hello. DF Nourish. Print. Good evening. Daniel. Naresh actually. Hey, Daniel, what I will do, just I will come here. Here I will write one print statement. Here I will write what exactly? One print statement. Print statement can be, let us just try to write a hi. Let us just try to write what exactly? Sir, you can write, but not recommended. You can write actually, but that is not a good practice. Why? Because, let us keep all functions in one place. Let us keep all function definitions in what exactly? One place, and remaining, this is something like, did you went to demote? Have you ever visited DMOT actually? In a DMOT, how they will organize actually? Let us keep it all kids, material will be separate actually. Kitchen material separate, something like that. Whenever you are creating a function, keep in one separate place actually all function creations. Next one, all function callings. If you are having any extra function, either you can keep it top or bottom actually. Now, first of all, let me show you either it is valid or invalid actually. It is valid, boss, but not recommended actually. Just try to say you are getting an output. First statement taking priority, this one actually. And remaining is what exactly? Function calling. Now do let me know what is output you are going to get. Very good. One more time. Last time. Just try to say. Why? Because this is the straight away print. By default, it executes. No need to call actually. Are you getting your one? Good man. These are all you need to practice. Then only you will understand. Online team, how are you, sir? Can I get a response? Come on, please. Online team. Good, good. Nice response. Come on, let us move on to the discussion. Very interesting, sir. Let me ask you a question. Am I going speed actually? No, right? You are able to connect, I guess. If I'm going speed, do let me know. I will change my gear. Good. A function can call, sir, this is important interview question. We're entering into important interview question. Please focus on this one. Read the point, everyone. A function can call other function. One more time. A function can call other function. We'll do one thing, man. We'll do one thing. Let me create a function. My function name is a Mahesh actually. My function name is what exactly? Mahesh. Good. Now just try to come here. This is Mahesh function. What function actually, sir? Mahesh function. And let me create a one more function. Function name is a Prabhas. What is the function name? Prabhas or Pavan. Any name you can give, sir. Pavan, Kalyan, any name actually. Good. So now, I'm sorry. Print off. Tell me this is what function actually? Pavan function. What function? Pavan function. Sir, how many functions I have created? Two functions. What is the first function name? Mahesh. Let me call Mahesh function. Then what is output you are going to get? This is Mahesh function. This is what exactly? Mahesh function. What went wrong? Okay, here H actually. Sorry. Let's run this example. Very good. And I wanted to execute Pavan function. Then call the Pavan function. I hope you already know these 2 points actually. Am I right or not, sir? Very important point I'm covering actually. Please focus on this one. Sir, during this time, what function is executing? Any idea? Whenever you are calling only one function. What is that function name actually? Mahesh. Then what is output you are going to get? Mahesh actually. This is what exactly? Mahesh. Come on, tell me one more time. What is output you are going to get? This is Mahesh function. Now what happened, whenever you are calling this Mahesh function, Python virtual machine will cross verify what is the name of the function Mahesh. Is Mahesh is available? Available. Then let me execute this function. Let me execute what exactly? This function. What we can do, whenever you are calling this function, this block of the code is executing, right? What is executing actually? Block of the code. Go to the next line. Right here, one more point. What is the point? Hi. What you are writing actually? Hi. Now tell me what is output actually? This is Mahesh function. Next one is a hi. One more time. This is Mahesh function. Next one is, now hold on. Instead of hi, let me take Pavan function calling. We can do. I'm repeating one more time. A function can trigger another function. A function can call another function. Read one more time, everyone. A function can call another function. What is the flow happen here, Okay. Whenever you're not calling, no output, man. Whenever you're not calling, what exactly? No output, actually. Good. Now just try to come here. Let me call only Pavan function. Let me call what exactly? Only Pavan function. What is output actually? This is Pavan function. Very good. You catch my point actually. But now come here. Let me call what function, man? Mahesh function. Now see the beauty. Whenever you are calling this function, the flow will come here. Keep on, it will work actually. Mahesh name of the function is matching. Then the responsibility will be, it's supposed to execute block of the code. In the block of the code, what is the first line actually? This is Mahesh function. It will done. What is the next line, The next line is a function calling. What is the next line actually? Function calling. If it is a predefined function, something like a print actually, it no need to go anywhere. Directly it can print. But the function name is a user defined function. Function name is what exactly? Then the flow, how it goes, it will come here where Pavan function is available. It will execute this line of the code. Then it will come back again here actually. Any line is available in the next one actually? No line. Then the program will terminate actually. According to my explanation, can somebody help me? What is output actually? This is Mahesh function. This is Pavan function. One more time. This is Mahesh function. This is perfect, man. You understand actually. Now just try to see this one. All right. I hope you understand. This topic name is called as a function can call another function. This is something like, I'm calling user. Assuming that there is a Raju. I'm calling Raju. How are you? Something like that. In Python, this feature is available actually. Let me talk with online team. Online team, are you, are you getting, sir? We are writing Pavan function in the indentation block of the code function. Yeah, Srikant, you're right. So ensure that Pavan function calling should be with indentation. Pavan function calling should be what exactly, sir? With indentation. With indentation only, this function will be triggered. This function will be called actually. Now get ready. I'm going to write another function. I just need response from you, sir. DEF M1 function. I would like to say, let us make it M1 or else first actually. Hey, make it M1 for your better understanding. Good. Next one is what exactly? M2. Print what exactly, sir? M2. Let me write one more function. Like this, you can write any number of functions, man. There is no limitation actually. M3. M3 actually. M3. Good. Get ready. Let me run the program actually. Can somebody talk with me? What is output, sir? Very good. No output actually. Good. Let me tell you. Now let me call M3. Let me call what exactly? M3. What is output actually? M3. Only, very good. Only M3. Go to inside M3. Let me call M1. Now what is output actually? M3. One more time. Now just try to say like this. Very good, man. You got my point actually. Now come here. Let me call one more function. What is the function name? M2. Now tell me output actually. M3, M1, M2. Perfect, man. I hope you connected actually. Conclusion of the story. A function can trigger another function or else can call another function. Can call what exactly? Another function. Hold on. The last example, let me show you. This much complexity is not available in data science, but I wanted to go into that level, that depth level actually. Good. Now, what is output actually? Tell me, sir. This is the scenario name. Sorry, man. Tell me what is output actually? I already run, right? You have to tell me what is output? M3. Good. Go to M3. Let me call M2. What is output, sir? M3. One more time. Very good. Go to M2. Let me call here M1 actually. Now, what is output actually? M3, M2, M1. One more time. Are you getting? This is very easy, right? A simple man. One function is calling another function actually. But let me tell you, this is just for your practice only. In real time, we cannot call like that way. In that many ways, we no need to call actually, right? Just but you need to understand these are all stuff. Good. I'm sure this example you are going to understand. Based on requirement, a function can call another function. We can call a function inside a function actually. Creating a two functions. Next one is what exactly you know, sir? Yeah, I hope you know. What is output actually? First function. Next one is a second function. What is output here actually? You are calling M1. M1. Sir, why DF is a red color actually? Keyword, please recognize. You are calling M1 function. M1 function, the first line is a first function. What is the second line actually? Second line is a another function calling. What is another function, sir? M2. Yeah, now just try to come here. This function is getting triggering actually. That's what you are getting. What exactly, sir? Second function. Good. Now this might be the last topic for the today. Let me continue. This might be last topic actually for the today, but which is really interesting. Let me give a small recap actually till now what I have covered, Sir, out of all this discussion, go back. There is a terminology. That terminology is very, very important, sir. Terminology is very, very important. I just wanted to hear from you. These are all terminology. Sir, can somebody read from the boys? From the boys, actually. Sir, one guy can please read actually. Read everyone. One person, please. Come on, take a chance. Ah, very good. Very good, sir. Thank you. And from madams, yeah, ma'am, one girl actually. Come on, tell me. Anyone? Then fine, no worries. Let me read actually. I'm not a girl, please. DF keyword, name of the function, parenthesis, parameters, column symbol, function body, return type. Everyone actually come and tell me. DF keyword, name of the function, parenthesis, parameters, column symbol, function body, return type. Sir, this terminology is very, very important. Please remember this one. Whenever you are learning about the functional related programming language, actually, if somebody is talking about the DEF, he's talking about the function topic. Name of the function topic. Parenthesis, it might be belongs to what exactly, function programming language or else object oriented programming language. For method also parenthesis is really required actually. And what is the next one actually? Column symbol, function body, return type. One more, indentation is not available. What is not available, sir? Indentation is not available. Now we are covering about this topic actually. What is the topic name? Can somebody tell me? Parameters. Can I continue? Yeah, good. It's a very easy. Let us continue. Online team, come on. Based on definition, functions are divided into two types. The first one is predefined function. Second one is user defined function. Repeat one more time. First one is a predefined function. Second one is a, sir, based on parameters. Based on what exactly? Parameters. Functions are divided into two types. Functions are divided into what exactly? Two types. So without parameter is the first one. Without parameterized function. Without parameterized function actually. And second one is what exactly? With parameterized. What is the second one, sir? With parameterized function. These 2 points we are going to cover. Repeating one more time. Based on the definition, functions are divided into two types. The first one is a predefined function. Next one, user defined function. The second one will be whenever you're talking about the parameters. Yes, come to the parameters. Based on parameters. Now I'm talking about only parameters. You can ignore other stuff actually. Functions are divided into two types actually. First one is a function without parameter, a function with parameter. This is also called as a zero parameterized function. This is also called as what exactly, sir? Zero parameterized function. Now just try to, you can make a note actually. Zero parameterized function actually. Now let me explain about this one. This we already covered actually. If a function having no parameter, hey man, did you notice actually? Till now I am writing print. Here I am writing one letter. What is that letter actually? Now that's what I'm talking. A type of PM writing. What am sorry man. Type of what exactly? PM writing. What is that P actually? Parameter. Now today we are going to learn what is that parameter. That point we are going to learn actually. Come on, come on. Without parameterized function or else function without parameters actually. It's a very simple. DEF add actually or else something like a Daniel. We already know this function. Hello. The output is what exactly, sir? Hello. Frankly speaking, this is called as a function without parameter. What is this topic name, sir? We have created a function, but no parameters, without parameters actually. We already know this point actually. Do I need to stress much actually? Not required, sir. We already know. Now let us focus on to the second one. What is the second one? You know? Function with parameter. What is the second discussion actually? Function with parameter. Sir, important. Please focus. Very, very important actually. Let me tell you very clearly. Come on. Now let me define a function. My function name is a Daniel. My function name is what exactly? Daniel actually. Now just try to come here. Sir, df is a keyword. Daniel is the name of the function. This is parenthesis symbol. What symbol? After parenthesis, what is required actually? Column. Then now let me just try to write here. What I'm writing, you know, hello. What I'm writing actually? Nothing is new. We already know this discussion actually. Now, but hold on. Here, let me create a one variable without value. Let me create a variable without value. Tell me one variable name. Can I say A actually? Can I say what exactly? A. Otherwise, if you want, you can give B, C, anything actually. Let me give A. Okay. We have created a function. Inside that function, what we done, you know, we created one parameter. We created what exactly? This is one parameterized function. This is what exactly? One parameterized function. Repeat one more time. One parameterized function. Let me tell you. If a function having the parameter, function calling is a small change. Repeating one more time. Assuming that you created a function, that function having the parameter, you should not call directly function actually. Whenever you are calling the function, ensure that, can somebody talk with me? Can I say this is the variable, sir? Can I say that is a variable actually? For that variable, you need to provide the value. You need to provide what exactly? That value should be, here you are using this parenthesis to create a variable, right? Use this parenthesis to provide the value. Now let me provide the value as a 10. Let me provide value as what exactly? 10. Very good. Whenever if a function having the parameter, then while calling the function, please provide the value. Otherwise, you will get error. I'm stressing one more time. It's a very simple man. It's a very simple actually. You guys already know one thing. What is that one actually? We have created a function. You know, we have created what exactly? Function. Function having one parameter actually. Function having what exactly? One parameter. Good, Daniel. Now coming to the point actually. If a function having the parameter, then the rule, there is a terms and condition. You cannot call the function directly like this. If you call the function directly like this, you will get an error. That error name is a positional argument error. I will cover that point later actually, but please follow the point actually. If a function having the parameter, that function parameter, we need to provide the value here actually. We need to provide what exactly? Sir, back end what happened, you know? This A will be assigned with 10. A will be assigned with what exactly? 10. Now execute this example. Now just try to see what is output you are going to get, sir. Hello, you are going to get. What is output you are going to get actually? Hello, actually. Now, can somebody help me? What is the A value? A value is what? If you want, you can use inside of the function, print the A actually. Wow, this is seriously super. This point you need to catch actually. What I'm explaining, sir, there is a function. Function name is a Daniel. Function name is what exactly? Daniel. Inside function Daniel, I have created one parameter. My parameter name is a. Parameter name is what exactly? A. Hold on. If your function having one parameter, there is one terms and condition while you are calling. Whenever if a function having the parameter, while calling the function, provide the value. While calling the function, what exactly? Provide the value. Let me tell you, in a Python programming language, if you create a variable, either it is a variable or a parameter, definitely value is required. What is required actually? That value we are providing from the function calling. We are providing from what exactly, sir? Function calling. Did you understand? Good, very good. Now, once the value is assigned, if you want, you can use instead of function body. If you want, you can use what exactly? Instead of that's what we are using. Hello, comma, what we have given here actually? A. A means what is the value you are getting? 10 you are getting. Sir, did you understand? If you understand this, hold on. Seriously, very good point, man. You understand in a very simple actually. Now get ready. DF Daniel A comma B. Very good. Previously, one parameter is the function. Now, how many actually? Two parameters. Like that, you can provide three parameters. Now, just provide a column. I'm sorry, man. Provide here what exactly? Hello. And now I need your help. Can I call directly like this? One more time. Can I call directly like this? No. What we need to do? Provide the value. Sir, how many values I need to provide? One or two. How many? One or two. Yeah, two. Now, first value is what exactly? 10. Give a comma. Second value is what exactly? 20. Now, execute the output. Sir, where are 10 and 20 actually? You are not seeing. If you wanted to see, just try to come here. Print. What you wanted to print actually? A. Go to the next line. Print. What you wanted to print actually? B or 20. You have to print only B actually. Now see the output actually. Wow. I hope you get a very clear picture. Getting right? Good, good. Very simple, sir. All right. Coding is beautiful, man. You have to please focus. This is called as a function with one parameter. One parameter. This is called as what exactly? No. Function with how many parameters? Two parameters. What exactly, sir? Two parameters. Two parameters. Now the rule. What is the rule? The rule will be if a function having one parameter, one parameter, one parameter, then while calling the function, what exactly, sir? While calling the function, calling the function, we need to provide, tell me, sir, one value. Am I right or not, sir? Good. The same thing like that. I wanted to hear from you one more time actually. Come and tell me. If a function having two parameters, very good, man. Then while calling the function, we need to provide how many? Two values. Perfect, man. I hope you got it actually. This is the very, very important, right? Now hold on. Let us stop the session. Good. Anyway, this let me continue in Monday actually. Did you understand functional programming language? How it is, sir? Easy, right? It's a very easy. It's a very easy. And don't miss next session actually. We done till here. These are all I will cover actually. Hold on. Oh my God. Sir, Monday topic is a written keyword. What is the Monday topic actually? Written keyword. Only 40 minutes introduction again actually. Something like a previously. I have given introduction 40 minutes. What is the topic name? Much pair up. You forget actually. Methods in string. What is the topic name? Same thing like that. I will not read this point actually. Once I started the topic, after 40 minutes, I will read this topic actually. Why? Because my favorite topic. I need to get ready actually. Might be again voice me so then online time actually. Okay. Yeah. Don't miss the next topic, sir, please. Good, good. Sriram sir, there is a type also we can cross verify. We can check it out, we can check it out during a Monday. You said that you should call the function without defining, but you have to call the Pavan function instead the Mahesh function. Very good, sir. Pavan sir, what we need to do now, we have to use indentation. You have to use what exactly? Indentation. Then we already defined actually. That's what I told. Whenever you are calling any Python program, Python virtual machine backend, it maintains stack actually. Then inside that stack, it will store all the function names actually. Can we have a recursive function? But we do have, Sheila ma'am, we do have a recursive function. Dinesh, we can make it loop. We can make it loop. If you want 5 times also, you can call actually. Up to you. Come on. Yeah, we done for today's session. What all things I need to upload, sir? Sorry. Material I have uploaded. Running notes, let me upload actually. Come on, let us have a same kind of some technical discussion. If anyone having any questions, please ask our WhatsApp group actually. I will prove practically. So that for your question, I will always answer with program. That would be good practice actually. If anyone no answer also, you can give your thoughts also, sir. WhatsApp group not added. Sneha ma'am, okay. Kindly share your mobile number. Sneha ma'am, share your mobile number. Like you're asking, like I am not in WhatsApp group actually. Sorry, sir. Someone admin here actually. Sir, please, can you please add this number? Sir, can you please add this number in WhatsApp group? 8421176062. Adding, right? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow is the practice session. I will update in WhatsApp group what is the timing actually. But I'm sure it is morning 9:30 only. Sorry, it is morning 7:30. Sorry, I'm sorry. Morning 7:30. It is only practice session. And we do have a mentors. Functions part 1. I hope material I already uploaded actually. Let me upload running notes. Last 2 minutes, sir. I'm going to close the discussion. Last 2 minutes. Yeah, last 2 minutes actually. Come on, let me give a small recap. I will not take much time actually. What I started, today the topic name is a function. Topic name is what exactly? Function. And whenever you are understanding about the function contains group of statements which perform a task actually. Which perform what exactly? There are mainly two types of the function. The first one is a predefined function. Second one is a user defined function. I hope you understand very clearly these two. Function related terminology, def keyword, name of the function. Next one is what exactly? Parenthesis. Next one is what exactly, sir? Column symbol. Next one is a, can I say indentation? Very good. Somebody already told actually. What is the next one? Body of the function. Next one is what exactly? Somebody's parameter. Very good, boss. Parameter. Next one is body of the function. Next one is a return statement. Very good. Sir, whenever you're talking about the function, ensure that you need to understand two things actually. First one is create, next one is access. Next one is what exactly? Access. These are all things we done after this one. A function can call, tell me, a function can call another function. A function can call what exactly? Another function that I covered actually. Based on parameters, functions are divided into two types actually. First one is a, function without parameter. What is the first one, sir? Function without parameter actually. Next one is a function with parameter. And this topic still I need to continue actually. So on Monday, I will continue from here. Don't miss Monday session. Very, very important actually. On Monday, let me tell you the agenda. We are going to close maybe the total 1.5 hour session may take. Yeah, yeah. On Monday, we are going to close part number 1. Tuesday, we are entering into the part number 2 actually. Are you guys clear, sir? Yeah, then we done for today's session. Online team, thank you for attending. Offline team, thank you, sir. We done for today's session. Please take care.